British mother-in-law, and I was told that quite recently, when she was driving along the N1, she went past a delightful little town called Jenadendel. And she was very, very taken aback by this.
What now?
Called Jenadendel.
Okay.
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 So apparently Taylor's husband took ages to figure
see
out
her?
where Jenadendel
No,
was.
it's 4 o'clock.
Only for them to realize that the mother-in-law was pronouncing Ganatendal. Jenadendel.
Yes. But don't go all the way black, eh? Because why? See here, the black is just to here. Make a line here, make a line here. Don't go over that black. Make a line there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's your face. Just make a line. Just here, just make like a line. Okay, stop. No, you mustn't go in here black. You must just do the black all around there. Do black, all black here. What now? What? You got a calculator. So you took a calculator. No, I'm busy here.
Hey, wat je ook al klein?
Yeah, it's 2 rand.
Ah. Ja, maar je doet het niet harder.
Watch the drawing. Watch the drawing. You must copy the drawing, eh? Yeah, all black. This must go black. All black. Yeah, black. Go black.